Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to destination for creating beautiful, peaceful spaces right at home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever wanted to wake up surrounded by lush, vibrant greenery, but you're terrified of instantly killing any plant you bring across your threshold? You are definitely not alone. The bedroom should be a sanctuary of rest and relaxation, not a place that causes you extra stress over watering schedules and humidity levels. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the absolute best, highly resilient bedroom houseplants that are so hardy they practically take care of themselves. Get ready to discover how you can effortlessly bring nature indoors, even if you don't have a green thumb. When we talk about easy-to-care for bedroom houseplants, we are referring to specific, highly durable indoor varieties that naturally adapt to the typical conditions of a sleeping space. Unlike finicky tropical plants that demand precise humidity and constant attention, these resilient varieties easily tolerate low to moderate light conditions, fluctuating temperatures, and irregular watering schedules. Choosing these specific plants for your bedroom is an absolute game-changer for several reasons. Beyond their obvious aesthetic appeal that instantly elevates your interior styling, these hardy plants actively work to purify your indoor air by absorbing toxins and releasing fresh oxygen while you sleep. They offer all the stress-relieving and health-boosting benefits of nature without adding any demanding chores to your busy daily routine, making them the ultimate functional decor for a peaceful night's rest. When you're ready to start an herb garden, it's important to consider a site with optimal growing conditions. While most herbs prefer full sun, at least 6 hours of sunlight daily, to produce the most lush growth, there are herbs that will tolerate partial shade, 4 to 6 hours of sun. Here's a list together of 14 herbs that can be grown in partial shade. Consider growing herbs in containers that can be moved to follow the sun throughout the day if you don't have a garden plot with ideal light. One, bay laurel. Bay laurel is a tender perennial, evergreen shrub whose leaves can be used either fresh or dried, and tolerates partial shade. Often grown in a container because it is not winter hardy, however, older, established plants can take temperatures down to around 0 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Catnip. Catnip is a vigorous perennial with gray-green leaves that prefers light shade and well-draining soil. While growing to 3 feet tall, its minty-scented leaves will attract cats who may roll on and crush the plants. Catnip is resistant to drought, dry soil, and air pollution, but is somewhat intolerant of heat and humidity. It produces small purple flowers, and its trailing quality makes it suitable for hanging baskets. 3. Chamomile. German chamomile is an easy-to-grow cool-season annual that grows to about 18 inches tall in sun or part shade in well-draining soil. It is easy to grow from direct seeding in the spring and produces abundant small white and yellow flowers that can be dried for chamomile tea. 4. Chervil. Chervil is an herb native to the Middle East and Russia, generally grown as an annual in herb gardens. The leaves and flowers are used to season poultry, seafood, and vegetables and have an herbal, parsley, faint licorice flavor. Chervil is a great companion plant for radishes and lettuce, and its leaves can be harvested throughout the summer and fall. Seeds are directly sown in the ground in the early spring because chervil does not transplant well. The plants thrive in full sun to partial shade. 5. Chives. Chives are an onion's cousin and a bulbous perennial herb. Its edible flower and leaves are used for flavoring egg dishes, soups, salads, and spreads. Plant chives in average well-draining soil in full sun to partial shade. Harvest the leaves by clipping them off at the base to maintain the attractiveness of the plant. Chives can be divided easily in the spring or fall, and they self-seed easily in the garden. 6. Cilantro or coriander. Cilantro is a short-lived annual, cool season herb that enjoys shade when temperatures begin to rise. The upper leaves are simple and fern-like, and the lower leaves are broadly lobed and resemble parsley. Once temperatures reach the 70s Fahrenheit, the plant responds by bolting or flowering and going to seed. These seeds, dried, are the commonly known spice coriander. 7. Comfrey. Comfrey has a long history of use as a medicinal herb for topical and internal injuries. Though it is no longer deemed safe for consumption. 1 Today, it is grown for the beautiful blue blooms. Comfrey grows best in full sun to part shade and well-drained, moist, rich soil. It is deer-resistant and tolerant to drought and clay soil. 8. Costmary. Costmary, also known as Bible leaf, is an aromatic perennial herb with a history of medicinal and culinary use. The fresh leaves have a minty, balsam scent and may be used to make tea or add flavor to salads. Costmary prefers full sun to partial shade. The plant will produce mostly leaves and no flowers if it is grown in deep shade. The plant may become aggressive and crowd out other herbs. 9. Curly-leafed parsley. Parsley can be curly or flat-leaved or Petroselinum neapolitanum. Both can be grown from seeds sown in early spring in consistently moist, well-drained rich soil in full sun or light shade. Because the seed is slow to germinate, transplants are a better choice for hot, humid areas where parsley tends to wilt. Parsley is a biennial, producing leaves the first year and flowers that attract butterflies the next. 10. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a hardy perennial shrub grown for its lemon-scented leaves that can be grown in USDA hardiness zones 3A to 7B. It prefers well-drained soils in sun or partial shade. The plant will self-seed and spread aggressively by rhizomes, so growing in a container is recommended. New leaves are more flavorful than mature ones for teas. 11. Mint. There is a hardy perennial mint plant for every taste. They are vigorous growers that can become invasive in the garden. They prefer rich, moist soil and partial shade. You can harvest tender leaves often for drinks, or allow the plants to produce small white or purple flowers that attract pollinators. 12. Sweet Cicely. Sweet Cicely, also known as sweet chervil, has delicate fern-like foliage and seed heads that are anise or licorice scented. Native to Europe, the leaves can be cooked like spinach. The long taproot can be eaten raw, in salads, or boiled and eaten like parsnips, and the seed pods are collected to use as a dried herb. It is best grown in organically enriched soils in light shade to full shade. 13. Sweet woodruff. Sweet woodruff, a creeping, mat-forming perennial with dainty flowers perfect for shady areas. It grows well in mild temperatures and most soil types, though it prefers acidic soil. The leaves smell like freshly mown hay when crushed and dried and are often used in potpourri or sachets. The white flowers are showy, fragrant, and edible with a sweet, nutty vanilla flavor. 14. Tarragon. If you enjoy the taste of licorice, you should include the culinary cultivar of Tarragon A. Dracunculus sativa in your herb garden. Often called French tarragon, this perennial prefers some shade because it suffers in the summer heat. Because this plant rarely flowers, it must be started from a purchased seedling or rooted from a cutting. Bringing nature into your personal sanctuary doesn't have to feel like a second job. By choosing highly resilient, forgiving varieties, you can enjoy a beautifully styled, fresh bedroom environment while doing the absolute bare minimum. Whether you live in a low-light apartment or simply tend to forget when you last picked up the watering can, there is a perfect, stress-free green companion waiting to elevate your space. Remember, indoor gardening is all about enhancing your well-being. So start small, pick 1 or 2 unkillable favorites, and watch how easily your bedroom transforms into a tranquil living oasis. If you enjoyed these low-maintenance green ideas and want to keep transforming your home, make sure to hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and click the notification bell so you never miss our weekly interior styling and plant inspiration. Drop a comment below telling us which of these bedroom plants you are planning to bring home first, or share your ultimate unkillable plant favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.